My name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So I want to start off this video with a shopping haul, but I don't know where the video will end up to, but let's first do the haul. Yeah guys, if you're new here, welcome to this channel. We love visitors. So without so much talking, let's start with the haul. So I just bought a few items and I'll be doing restocks over the month because I only had around 3,500 shillings, and that is what I budgeted for. So let's see what I was able to get. The first thing is some 5 pieces of Indomie. I think they were 103 shillings. I'll not mention the amounts of everything because I can't clearly remember everything. Some cling film, an aluminium foil, some margarine, this is sugar and it was 192 shillings. It's from the supermarket, then the one they normally pack for themselves. I think the rest were going for 200 and something shillings. This one was cheaper. One packet of the spaghettis, the Dawat one, the green label. This is what I used. 2 liters of cooking oil, and of course I took the cheapest. This one was 465 for 2 liters, and the rest were over 500 shillings. I have my ajab flour. This is what I do my chapatis with, or even the mandazis. So I took 2 kgs. I also got another packet of bunga. I think in the course of last week I got another one, so I don't have to do so much. So that's what I got. I also got this what do we call it? Tomato sauce, and the rest are milk. I got like these are 3, 4, 5 packets of milk, and I normally pick small ones and big ones. So these ones I got them from the supermarket, but there are other things I had got from town. And if you're not new here, you know, for my oil, Colgate, I normally get them from a wholesale beauty shop in town because it is way much cheaper. So the first thing, these ones are from the supermarket, but I didn't want to mix them with this. So these two also. Yeah, you see, like this white dent. The last time I bought Colgate was on January, and it's over. I normally use 2 such, 250 per year. The whole year I normally use 2 of this. It's that big, and it has some 2 toothbrushes inside. These ones I have to read the prices because when you get such in the supermarket, it's way too much expensive. And this one is what? 220 shillings, imagine, and in the supermarket I think it could be over 300 shillings. So if you really want to save, go for the wholesale shops. I also got this. Imagine the one I bought in January is halfway, and this is about how many? Let me see, 600 ml, and imagine this is only 280 shillings, and I know in the supermarket it will be much higher. The price could be much higher. Another thing is this coconut oil for my baby, 150 ml, and I got it at only 90 shillings, and I think retailing it is usually about 140 shillings. So it is really saving. And I also got this the Vaseline Blue Seal, and it's mostly for the babies. It's drawn here. and it's 230 shillings. In the supermarket, it's about 300 shillings, if I'm not wrong, around 285 shillings. A big save also. And I also got this Nivea roll-on, and for this one, I didn't get the big one. I normally take a bigger one, but the 50 ml, but they didn't have. So I got this at how much? Let me see. At 190 shillings. Guys, saving, saving, saving. If you're not new here, I know you know that's how I do my oils and colgates and kiwi and anything, what do you call them? Yeah, they normally sell at very cheap prices. The shop is in the old Madai building located in OTC. You go to the fourth floor, ask for Mwalimu Cosmetics, and it's also called Justan Investments. They sell their items also well. They have so much things. They have shower gels, anything cosmetics. If you want to start a cosmetic shop, they will sell you. If you're also buying on retail, they sell you at wholesale prices. So that's a deal. So let me show you everything at a closer view. Yeah, so all this costed me around 3,000. It should be more than 3,500, between 3,500 and 4,000 shillings. The economy is so tough. And whatever you don't see here, I have. Nowadays, I don't buy what I have. I only buy what is necessary. So these are the foodstuffs. Rice is not here, but I'm going to restock it as I will be doing my cereal shopping. Yeah. So this is just everything on a wider or a closer view. So the lotion is there, the toothpaste is here, the coconut oil. I have the Vaseline, the oil, the ungas or the flowers. I have my milk here. I have these packets of Indomil. Then I have my foils there, the cling film and the aluminium one. Then I also have the, what do you call this? The spaghettis here. Then I have this margarine, and finally I have my tomato sauce here and the sugar. So that's it, and that's how I parted with my 3,500 shillings. It's things are so expensive, but we thank God we are able to purchase. Yeah. One of us seems to circle the other. So this was later in the day. I decided to just clean up my kitchen, or rather to do a little bit of thorough cleaning. And the first thing I did, of course, was to just remove this stand. Yes, I normally use this plastic stand, and she has served me for the longest time possible. So I had already cleaned the utensils, so I needed not to clean them again. I will just clean the stand alone. Later on, I also wiped the shelf. In this house, we don't have the closed cabinets. We just have a small open shelf, and yeah, I'm going to clean it. I'll also wipe that table a little bit because that's where I do some of my storage. Yeah, this kitchen is so small and without so much storage, but we use it as it is irregardless. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. Is I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation. I don't sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I was swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. if you're watching me for the first time, allow me to welcome you again. In this channel, you are going to find a lot of homemaking content which entails a lot of cleaning, some cooking here and there, and of course we normally do some hauls and makeovers whenever we have the money. Allow me to also thank my Premier Gang and my returnees. Thank you for always finding the time to just come and support me. Continue sharing me out so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers very, very soon.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
So I finished the cleaning, of course, by cleaning the cooker, and everything turned out so clean. I want to remove that paper on the cooker, but I don't know what to use. But I'm going to try some hot water because I've tried peeling it and it's just leaving some crazy marks. So this was the turnout. Everything turned out so clean, and I was just happy about it. I also cleaned the floor off camera because yeah, the kitchen is so small and sometimes filming can be quite tricky. So that was the turnout. Bye bye guys, and let me see you in my next one. Bye.